I want to talk about my Uyghur friends, whom I've known for so long. They are my friends. They have no interest in lying to me, and they have not been able to contact their families or hear from them for years now. And, you can call them like terrorists, criminals, separatists, whatever. And I'll concede to that, even though, by the way, this is the exact same war and terror narrative that you criticize the West for. You say the West is Islamophobic, which it is. It used this narrative to invade Iraq and Afghanistan and destroy the region. But then you use the exact same narrative on another group of Muslims, the Uyghur Muslims. But again, I'll concede to the idea that somehow the parents of my loveliest, most humble, nicest friends are all criminals and terrorists. Do they not still have the basic right of fair, transparent trial and contact with the outside world and contact with their family just to know if they're alive or not?
Let me be very direct. I've been to Xinjiang multiple times. I have many Uyghur brothers and sisters. Uyghur nationality is one of the 56 nationalities in China. In China, we altogether have about 20 different nationalities which are Muslim communities. Now, it is also true that among the Uyghur people, there were some separatists who want to break Xinjiang away from China for their own purposes. Let me assure you, Xinjiang will always remain part of China. China's determination to defend China's sovereignty and territorial integrity is real. No one can shake that. So if anyone wants to say, we want to use the Uyghur issue to break Xinjiang away from China, it's a violation of the Chinese law, it's a mission impossible, it can never be accomplished. And respect for the human rights of everyone, including me, my family, and 56 nationalities is a must for Victor,
it was a more personal question than a... Go ahead.
The siblings, parents of my nicest, most humble friends are all terrorists and criminals. I said that. But still, let's consider they're all terrorists and separatists and criminals. Do they still not have the basic right of just free trial, like transparent trial and contact with the outside world? Like, they just want to know if they're alive or not. Do they not have that basic human dignity? Even if they're terrorists,
Let me give you one example. We can engage between ourselves to talk about this in greater depth. I think we have other very important issues to talk about. We are talking about a changing world. We are talking about Mr. Donald Trump becoming the president in about 40 days. We are talking about peace and the stability and war in the world. So let's talk between ourselves for this particular issue you are raising. Thank you.